Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For this video, as you guys can see here, I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box and this is for the month of September. For those of you that don't know about this subscription, this one is their monthly subscription. It is $25 a month and they say you're supposed to get at least $125 worth inside of your box. So far, I don't think I have gotten such a bad box. I think they have all been pretty good or, okay. I haven't really been disappointed with this one. So I hope that with the one that I have here, it's the same thing. And then one thing I do want to mention, I just recently moved to a new apartment. So that's why the different background, even though it wasn't much before, but that's what I have here. And I also want to apologize if you guys hear random noises because I do have people upstairs and sometimes you can hear them walking. So just wanted to get that out so you guys are aware. And let's get into the box. So this one here is actually pretty heavy. We have our things here covered with our little foam, and let me just start getting into it. So also, once I get all the things out, all the products out, I will add up all of the retail prices for the individual items, and I'll let you guys know what the value of the box is at the end. And also anything that I can try on my face, I will go ahead and do that as well. That's the reason why I'm starting with just a little bit of makeup, so I can put on whatever I can from in here. So let me grab this first one first. Obviously, if it's the first one, I'm gonna grab it first. But we have something here from Hilton, and it says it is a Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. Oh, okay, there it is. It is a dual action cleansing gel. This is what the box looks like. Honestly, I'm not too excited about Hilton products. I personally don't see them as luxury or anything special. So this is what our bottle looks like on the inside, and it's just a cleanser, nothing special. Let me see if I can smell it. It is covered with a little foil thing at the top. It doesn't have any special scent to it. It just smells like a fresh, clean scent. So item number one, okay start so far. Let me get, I'll get this one out. It is from Ilamasqua, and it is a antimatter lipstick. What the heck is an antimatter lipstick? This is our packaging from the outside, just black with gold letters. Let me see what the inside looks like. Okay, pretty cute packaging, nice, simple, sleek. It's just a black squared bullet. And we have the color here, Cosmic. Down here, it looks like it's going to be like a pinkish color. So let's see. Oh, okay. This is like a nice nude pink. I hope it goes well with my skin color. That's the color there. So item number two, pretty nice. I've never heard of this brand before though. Next up, I'll go ahead and get this one out. And it's something from Oprah. It says Madison Miller. I don't know if that's a collab with Madison Miller. And it is a mini palette Miller squad. So let me see. Let me take it out. I actually don't own anything from Oprah. The only, actually I own one thing. It's a lipstick, a liquid lipstick that also came in one of the boxes. So that's pretty cool. And, okay. So that's pretty nice. So here, down here at the bottom, we have a mirror, but just so you guys don't see my whole mess in the background, I'll show it like this. It is a 3 pan palette, and it looks like we have 2 highlighters and 1 blush. The blush looks to be like a pretty nice color. That's it on my finger there. And let me see. Oh yeah, it goes on like a nice soft pinkish color. That's the color there. Hope you guys can see it well. And then let me swatch the, whoa. Those are the 2 highlighters. They're super pretty. This one here on my middle finger, it's more of a champagne golden-y color. and I don't know what this was. And then this one on this finger is more of a pinkish tone. Let me swatch them. I'll do it here. That is really nice. Wow. Those are the colors swatched. I don't know if you guys can see the difference in the tone with the reflection, but they're really, really pretty. I think this one is a little bit more pigmented than the other one, but they're both really, really nice. Okay, so I'm really liking this one here, and let me see what else we have. We have something here from Ciotti, London. Okay, I also haven't had the chance to I haven't had the chance to try this brand too much. I've never really purchased anything myself. Again, whatever I do have is whatever has been in my boxes. So I'm excited to always try different things. And this is a setting powder. I've never tried their setting powders before. But right now when I try these on, I'll go ahead and dust a little bit on my face to kind of take the shine away. I do have really oily skin, so even within just a few minutes from doing my makeup, my face does start getting shiny, especially when it's hot. Right now I do not have the AC on, so I do feel the heat in the room, so I'm sure I'm gonna start getting really shiny. So I just grabbed a little bit from what was on top. You do have a little sifter thing up here, and it really mattified this little piece of my skin. So I'll go ahead and put it on my face just to see what it looks like on my skin. And I believe we are now down to our last item, and it looks like it is an eyeshadow palette. So this is from Nomad with a collaboration with Berlin Ground, I believe. I think that's what it says. That's the name down here. It's almost like a signature. It's a little bit harder to read, but this is the outside packaging of the palette. Let me try and get it out. Okay, so once you take it out of the box, this is what the packaging looks like, and let's see the colors inside. Okay, I think this is a very cool tone palette, which I am not mad at. Okay, so those are the colors there. You do not get too many matte. I think the only matte color is this brown one here that you can use as a transitioning shade. But all these other ones, these are pretty metallic. These just have a bit of like shimmer to them, more of a satin kind of finish. But as far as like a matte color, you do only get this one, which is weird. Normally they do tend to add a lot more matte shades, or a few more than just one. So that was the final product from our box. Now I have my little pamphlet here giving us the the retail value of each of the products, and let's see what they are. So the first product here, the Paris Hilton cleanser gel. Okay, I would not pay $39 for this, but according to this here, the retail value for this one is $39. The retail value for our Nomad Cosmetics Berlin, and it's called Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Retail value for this is $37. Up next, our lipstick from Ilamasqua Anti-Matter Lipstick and Cosmic. Retail value for this is $27. Our next product, I didn't put the lid back on this one. Our Ciotti London Translucent Powder. Retail value is $22. And our very last product, our Oprah palette, retail value for this is $35. Okay, so that's not bad. Let me add all of these up and I'll let you guys know what the total value is. We came up with a total value of $160. That's not bad for the value of the box. Just a few things, like this Paris Hilton thing, I do not think it's $39 worth, but if that's what it retails at the store, then that's the value of it. Personally, no bueno. But let me go ahead and put all of these things together on my face and see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna start with just putting a little bit of this powder on my face to kind of mattify things down a little bit. So I'm just gonna get my brush and I'm just gonna dust it all over, especially my forehead, which is what tends to get really shiny most of the times. Just dust it everywhere. Then continuing with the face, I'm gonna grab the Oprah palette and I'm gonna put a little bit of the blush along with I'm gonna choose one of the highlighters. They're actually both really, really pretty. So I don't know which one I'm gonna choose, but I just wanna put on a little bit of blush. Then I'm gonna grab my little highlighter brush and I think I'm gonna go with the one that's a little bit more of a champagne color. So, whoa. Then up next, I'm gonna put on the lipstick. I hope this tone of pink goes with my skin color because sometimes the contrast between the two colors is not a nice one. So let me see how this one goes on. Okay, so this is the color there. It's a little bit too pink for what I normally wear. So I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this color here. Now let's move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna see what I can do to kind of tie it all in together because I did notice that we have this color here and maybe even a purple kind of thing, but I also really like these golden colors here. So let me see, I'm gonna for sure use this one as my transition shade. So let me start with that one. So as I put this color on, I'm actually really, really liking this. It's nicely pigmented, but it is also blending out really, really nicely. Okay, then up next, I'm going to grab, I think this one here and then put it on my crease. So I'm just gonna put this one on the crease. So like I said, I really don't know where I'm taking this. I'm just kind of choosing colors as I go. So the next one that I'm gonna put all over my lid is going to be this one here. I really don't know where this look is going, so I really hope it goes. So I have that one, and then the very last one that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this one here. It's called Hilton, that one there, and I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of my eyes. And you know what? Why not? I'm gonna darken the outer edges. I'm going to use a little tiny bit of this one here. I'm gonna try not to get too much, just because it is black. But I like that it has some glitter to it, some shimmer. And I honestly can't even pronounce that name, so I'm not even gonna try. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this one here just to darken up the edges a little bit. And what I'm also going to do with that black one is I'm gonna get a small pencil brush, and I'm gonna try to use it as an eyeliner. I know it's not gonna be super defined, but I just wanna give it that smokiness on my eyelash line. Okay, and then with this same brush, all I'm going to do with the lash line is I'm just gonna just smoke it out a little bit with the black that I was using up on the top. Okay, so this is what came out after using the colors from this palette. I really like the way that they blended out. I didn't like the fallout from the black one because that one is dangerous. If you're not careful, you're gonna get black all over your face. But overall, I really did like it. Now, I wouldn't put this lip color with this eye look. This is just what it turned out to be. But let me do my eyebrows really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so overall, I thought this box was not bad. Aside from the Paris Hilton cleanser, I'm not a big fan of Paris Hilton, and like I mentioned earlier, I do not think her products are luxury for me. I don't know. I think maybe just because I always see her things at like Ross and like TJ Maxx and they're always on sale. So to me, they don't have much value, but everything else I think was pretty awesome. I love this box. Let me know what you guys think down below. I know there's different variations. This is what I got. Let me know what you guys think down below about the box. And that is all for me for today, and I will be back pretty soon with another unboxing. So I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.